Hello, good afternoon. I'm Jello from Ajanobos. I'm based in Manila and I'm from Rizal actually. So, congratulations first of all for Miss Lee from PAG 2026. And I want to ask my question to Miss Santo Tomas, Santa Ana, and Miss Sasmuan. So my question goes like this. So Pampanga is the culinary capital and also a pageant powerhouse of the Philippines. But one issue that Pampanga, which I read from recent documentaries, is that culture in Pampanga has been in the brink of extinction somehow. So how would you preserve your Kapampangan culture for the next generation as the next Miss Gay Pampanga for 2026? Miss Sasmuan.
Hi ma'am, first of all, hello. Thank you for being here. And to all people tonight. Hello. So with your question in terms of promoting Kapampangan culture, specifically this pageant, it's such a good opportunity for us to promote it. Just like speaking Kapampangan, celebrating fiestas, and showcasing our local costume is also a best example for us to showcase that Kapampangan culture. At the same time, if we are lucky enough to represent Pampanga in a national stage, then definitely it's such a very big privilege for us to represent and showcase the beauty of Pampanga. So with that, as a true-blooded Kapampangan, I will always be proud to call myself a Kapampangan. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, as you all may know, I am a half Kapampangan from my father's side and half Quezon province from my mom's side. And I am a born and raised in Manila, especially in Tondo, Manila. But I believe I have the puso of Kapampangan since I always go here whenever we celebrate Holy Week and we would like to spend our time with my family. And hearing or the word Kapampangan or Pampanga that comes into my mind is family. And I believe us Kapampangan are very family-oriented. So how can I able to maintain or preserve the culture of Kapampangan? Well, to spread the importance of family because I believe family is all we need. And that's what I recommend or what I reminded of Kapampangan, which is family reunion. So technically, I want to reconnect us into one big family again so that all of us will love each other until we die. Yeah, thank you.
Ito.
Hello. What a wonderful question. Well, Kapampangan has always loved pageantry. And I believe that the best way that we could promote it is by pageant itself. By wearing Kapampangan culture-inspired costumes, or let's incorporate it in our outfits. And if I were given the chance to be your Miss Gay Kapampangan 2026, I would furthermore fix it by educating people, educating the young generations about our Kapampangan culture. And I believe with the help of our local government, we can eradicate this problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I just want to congratulate everyone. And talagang tunay Kapampangan, malagula talaga. And I am Ryan Cruz, a content creator. So my question is for Miss Swan, Miss Jubal, and Miss Mexico. So my question is like this. If you could educate the world on one thing about the LGBTQ plus community, what would it be and how? Mrs. Swan.
Okay, what a very good question, sir. To be honest, there are a lot of things we want to educate in terms of accepting us and recognizing us. But if there is one thing that I want to correct or I want to address is we deserve respect not just because we are beneficial. We deserve respect because we are valid. we are talented, and we are capable to unleash our potential in terms of exploring different fields. That is why these pageants are very good platform for us to showcase the capabilities and talents of each kababata or each beauty queens. Because after all, we deserve respect despite, or we deserve respect regardless of what gender we want to choose or whatever path we want to take in life. Because we are all human. Respect is a fundamental value that we should understand and we learn how to do it. Thank you.
Please, di ba?
Ang yak ko siguro ay educate ko rin tao bilang partining LGBTQIA+, is bilang maging matatag. Dahil bago tayo naman po naging katamong partining LGBT is tatalakad tayo kay sarili tamong bitis. Nabiyasa tamong gawang bagay na makapagpatibay kaya katamo. Kita mo po nakakung sana.
For me, I want to educate people about gender identity and gender preference. And as Mrs. Mon said, that it's always the respect that we all want, and that's why we are still hoping na mapatupad ang Fuji Bill. It's not, that's why this platform will open people's mind to that hindi lang kami bakla at hindi lang kami basta bakla. And yeah, that's what I want to say. Thanks.
Hello, ladies. Good afternoon. At this early, we would like to congratulate all of you. You are really pretty, both stunning, so gorgeous. So this question is for Cora, City of San Fernando, and Mabalacan City. Can you finish this sentence? A true queen is someone who blank.
A true queen is someone who is rooted and truly in love with her province. As I stand here today, as not just as a candidate, but as a storyteller of a Kapampangan spirit, I am truly in love and rooted. I was born and raised here in Pampanga, knowing the fact that I have accessed the right and the privilege that this opportunity is Miss Gay Pampanga 2026 had given us. And that is, I believe, giving yourself an opportunity to grab this access to encourage other Kapampangan to join pageants, to be part and participative to every projects and programs that includes and promotes Kapampangan spirit, then definitely each and every one of us is truly a Kapampangan queen who really deserves to be crowned and to be called Kapampangan pride. Thank you.